Why jerks attract women, and how to use their secrets without actually being a jerk. Most men don't get how attraction works. Being an overall good guy is great, but it isn't what triggers attraction. The first rule is this: attraction is not logical, it's emotional. A woman isn't analyzing how good you are as a person by writing your good qualities on an Excel spreadsheet and then deciding whether or not she feels attraction for you. That's not how it happens. Attraction is a gut-level instinct reaction to your character and how you behave. It has to do with the status she feels you have. If you behave anxiously and insecure because you feel you need her validation in order to feel better about yourself, this will come across like you don't value yourself. You sacrifice your value because you become desperate. And if you don't value yourself, then the woman won't value you either. See, the reason bad boy players create so much attraction with women isn't because they act like jerks, but because they value themselves immensely, and they are indifferent to a woman taking away her validation from them. In other words, they don't suffer from validation dependence. They don't waste too much energy on one woman who isn't interested in them. Instead, they move on to other women who actually value them sexually. In addition, the player knows how to attract women so much that she starts chasing him. And the thing is, you can steal the player's skill of making a woman chase you without actually acting like a jerk. And I'll let you in on a big secret on how to do this. And that is, don't do big favors early. Or if you do, make sure she also does something for you. See, when you're in a new relationship and you're already offering to do everything for a girl, she'll start to feel smothered, and her natural reaction will be to become distant because she needs space. So make sure she's also contributing and doing things for you. Make sure there's that balance. Take a deeper dive on how to flip a girl and how to re-attract that girl who got away. Just go to championsofmen.com/get the girl.